Hello everyone, welcome back again with me on the Koniago channel. Today in this video I will show you how to make a timing bolt. And now let's start it. First, click this pulley and this pulley make it solid. Now go to assembly, click belt engine, click this face and this face. Check critical part and OK. Now go to bolt, right click this part and click edit part. Click this sketch, active extrude boss, and now in direction, choose mid plane, check thing feature, in thing feature parameter make 1.5 mm. See, and click OK. Now make the sketch. Before that, exit this. Go to this face. Click this sketch. Active convert entities and exit sketch. Now go to insert component, create new part, and click this face. Click this edge, this edge, this edge, this edge, this edge, this edge, and this edge. Active convert entities, and after that, active arc like this. Click this point, active R again, click this point, and this point, click this point, and after that, click this line, delete this parameter, delete this parameter, do to all the sketch. Delete this parameter, and after that go to feature, active extrude boss, let's change the direction and click OK. See, and now exit, edit feature, and now hide this block and hide this pulley. Go to matte, go to advanced matte, active pad matte, click this point, and active selection manager, click this pad, and OK. Do it again, click pad matte, this point, active select manager, click this sketch, and OK, and click OK. See, now you can move the block. Sorry, for that suppress this. See, show the pulley again, and go to matte, environment, click this face, and click this edge. The ratio is 27.3 divided 1, and click OK. See? See? And now active linear component pattern. Choose Move Drive component pattern. In direction, choose this sketch. Choose this sketch. And Move Drive pattern parameter is 57. Check equal spacing. Choose offset curve and choose tangent to curve. And for component to pattern parameter, choose this part and click OK. See? Now show the bulb. Hide the sketch. See? Now you can rotate this bulb. See? Make this fully transparent. See? The bulb is rotated. Follow the pulley like this. Now go to choose this bulb and this part and this curve. Choose appearance, choose black color and click OK. Rotate. Choose this whole part and click OK. See? See? Now you know how to make a timing bulb. I think this is the end tutorial. I hope you like and can learn Solidworks using my video tutorial. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.